What if the next browser you open isn't from Google, but from the company that brought you ChatGPT? Today, we dive into OpenAI's bold move. OpenAI just launched ChatGPT Atlas, a browser built around their chatbot. Yes, a browser with built-in AI that summarizes, automates tasks, and challenges Chrome's dominance. On October 21, 2025, OpenAI revealed Atlas, an AI-powered browser that offers content summarization and task automation features directly. Analysts say it's a direct challenge to Chrome's long-standing dominance. The browser market is arguably the core gateway to everything online. What makes Atlas different? Integrated AI, likely seamless GPT-style interactions, maybe even ask your browser rather than just type a search. That could change user behavior deeply. But here's the emotional angle. For users, it means less time scanning pages, more instant value. For Google, it means the throne is under serious fire. That's both exciting and anxiety-inducing. And for creators like you and me, a shift in the landscape means new opportunities, new UX, new marketing angles, maybe even new ad models. So, will Atlas replace Chrome? Probably not overnight. But in 2026-27, the first browser truly built around AI could reshape how we browse, learn, and create. If you're watching this, hit subscribe, ring the bell, because the AI browser war is just beginning. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.